Coffee shop friendship.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
Oh, no, it's free. Please sit.
Thanks. The place is so busy today.
Yeah, it's always full around noon.
I almost left, but I really needed coffee.
Same here. I can't start my day without it.
Me too. What did you order?
A caramel latte. You?
Just a cappuccino, simple but perfect.
Good choice. So, do you come here often?
Not really. I just moved to this area.
Oh, welcome. I live nearby. It's a great neighborhood.
That's nice. I'm still finding my way around.
I know how that feels. It takes time. Do you have any good cafes or bakery recommendations?
Oh yes, there's a cute bakery 2 streets away. Best croissants ever.
Sounds amazing. I'll check it out. You should. Maybe we can go together sometime.
I'd love that.
Great, new coffee buddy. Deal. Here, let me give you my number.
Thanks. That's so sweet.
No problem. New friends are always welcome. I'm glad all the tables were full today. Me too. Best seat I ever shared.
Dog park chat.
Hi! Your dog is so cute. What's his name?
Thank you. His name is Max. And yours?
That's Bella. She loves running around.
Oh, she looks very fast. Max is still learning.
How old is Max?
He's 2 years old. Very playful.
Bella is 3. She loves meeting new friends.
That's great. Max loves playing with other dogs, too.
Does Max like fetch?
Yes, he can play for hours.
Bella loves fetch too. Maybe they can play together.
That would be fun. Do you come here often?
Almost every morning. It's a good exercise for both of us.
Me too. And it's nice to meet other dog owners.
Definitely. What breed is Max?
He's a Labrador, very friendly.
Bella is a golden retriever. They'll get along well.
Oh, that's perfect. Let's let them run a bit.
Great idea. I'll throw the ball for Bella.
And I'll throw one for Max.
Looks like they already like each other.
Caught in the rain.
Wow, it's raining like crazy out there.
I know. I just ran all the way from the bus stop.
You made it just in time. Are you okay?
A little wet. My hair is a total mess.
Don't worry. You still look fine.
Oh, thanks. You're too kind. Did you forget your umbrella too?
Yeah, I thought it wouldn't rain today. Big mistake.
Same here. Weather apps always lie.
True. At least we have this small shelter.
Yeah, and a new rainy day friend.
I like that. So, do you live nearby?
Yup, just 2 blocks away. You?
Right around the corner. I pass this street every morning.
Oh, then you must know all the secret spots here.
Maybe. There's a coffee shop close by. Best hot chocolate ever.
That sounds perfect right now.
How about we go when the rain stops? My treat.
Really? That's so nice of you.
No problem. Rainy days are better with company.
I agree. Maybe this rain wasn't so bad after all.
Helping a neighbor.
Hi, do you need some help with those boxes?
Oh, yes, please. I didn't expect them to be so heavy.
No worries. I can carry a few for you.
Thank you so much. I just moved from a small town, 4 hours away.
Wow, that's a long trip. You must be tired.
I am. The traffic was terrible, and the boxes kept sliding in the car.
I can imagine. Let's take it slow.
I appreciate that. I don't want to drop anything.
Don't worry. We'll get everything upstairs safely.
That's a relief. I don't know anyone here yet.
Well, now you know one friendly neighbor.
That's true. Thank you again.
No problem. Where do you want the first box?
Maybe near the kitchen, please.
Got it. And this one?
Oh, that's my bedroom stuff. Upstairs is fine.
All right. Let's take it slow. These stairs can be tricky.
Yes, I've already tripped once.
Don't worry. I've got it. You just watch.
I feel safer with you helping.
That's what neighbors are for.
I hope I can help someone like this someday.
I'm sure you will. Everyone needs a little help at first.
I really feel welcome here already.
That's great to hear. Moving in is always stressful.
Yes, but today feels much easier thanks to you.
Anytime. You just focus on unpacking and settling in.
Finding the library.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What are you looking for?
I'm trying to find the library. I think I took a wrong turn.
Ah, the library. You're actually very close.
Really? That's good to hear.
Yeah, just walk straight down this street and turn left at the park.
Turn left at the park, okay? Is it far from there?
Not really, just a 5-minute walk. You'll see a big glass building.
Oh, great. I was walking the opposite way.
Happens to everyone. The sign is kind of small.
No wonder I missed it.
There's also a coffee shop next to it. You can't miss that.
Coffee and books? That sounds perfect.
Right? It's my favorite spot in the city.
Thanks a lot for your help.
Anytime. You new around here?
Yeah, just moved last week.
Then the library's a good start. They even have local events.
That's awesome. I'll check it out.
You should. Have fun exploring.
Thanks again. Really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Enjoy your reading time.
Lost suitcase at airport.
Excuse me, I can't find my suitcase.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me your flight number?
Yes, it was flight 248 from London.
All right. Can you describe your suitcase?
It's black, medium size, with a red ribbon on the handle.
Thank you. When did you arrive?
About an hour ago.
Okay, let me check the baggage area.
I hope someone didn't take it by mistake.
Don't worry, we will find it.
Have you found anything yet?
Yes, there's a suitcase matching your description.
Really? Where is it?
It's at the lost baggage counter. I'll bring it here.
Thank you so much. I was worried.
I understand. It happens sometimes at busy airports.
I'll make sure to put a bright tag next time.
Good idea. It helps a lot.
I'm so relieved. You saved my day.
Glad we could help. Enjoy your stay or onward journey.
Sending a package abroad.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, I need to send this package to my friend in Canada.
Of course. What's inside the package?
Just some cookies and a small gift. It's her birthday next week.
That's sweet. Please place it on the counter so I can weigh it.
Sure, it's not very heavy.
You're right. It's light. Do you want express or normal delivery?
Normal delivery is fine. I'm not in a hurry.
Okay. Normal delivery will take around 10 days.
That's perfect. How much will it cost?
It's $25. Would you like to add insurance for safety?
Yes, please. I don't want the cookies to go missing.
Good idea. Please fill out this customs form.
No problem. Oh, do I need to write my phone number too?
Yes, that helps if there's any issue with delivery.
All done. Here you go.
Great. Everything looks fine. Here's your receipt.
Thank you. You've been really kind.
My pleasure. I hope your friend loves the gift.
I'm sure she will. Have a nice day.
Forgot my wallet at home.
Hello. Did you find everything you needed today?
Yes, thank you. Just some fruits and snacks.
Great. That'll be $15, please.
Sure. Let me get my wallet. Oh no!
Is everything okay?
I think I forgot my wallet at home.
Oh, that happens sometimes. Do you live nearby?
Yes, just 5 minutes away. Can I run home and get it?
Of course. I'll keep your things here for you.
Thank you so much. I'll be right back.
No problem. I'll watch your groceries.
You're really kind. I feel so embarrassed.
Don't worry. It happens every day.
Really? Then I'm not alone.
Not at all. Take your time.
Here's my wallet. Thank you for waiting.
No worries. That'll be $15.
Here you go. And thanks again for your patience.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Next time, I'll check my pockets first.
Looking for the right jacket.
Hello, can I help you find something today?
Hi. Yes, I love this jacket, but I think it's a bit small.
What size are you looking for?
Maybe a medium? This one is a small.
Let me check for you. Looking around, yes, we have it in medium.
Great. Can I try it on, please?
Of course. The fitting room is right over there.
Thanks. It fits better, but do you have it in blue?
Let me see. Yes, here's one in blue.
Oh, perfect. I love this color.
It looks great on you. Would you like to take it?
Yes, I'll take the blue one, please.
Wonderful. Would you like a bag for it?
And I'd like to pay with credit card.
Of course. No problem. We do. You can pay right here.
Thank you. You're very helpful.
My pleasure. Have a lovely day.
You too. I can't wait to wear my new jacket.
You'll look amazing in it.
Thank you again. Bye. A friendly meetup at the park.
Oh, hi there. Nice day, huh?
Yeah, beautiful weather. Finally, some sunshine after all that rain.
I know, right? My backyard was like a swimming pool last week.
Same here. My dog loved it though. Muddy paws everywhere.
Oh no. What kind of dog do you have?
A golden retriever. His name's Max. He's kind of spoiled.
Ah, I love golden retrievers. I have a small one, Coco, a Chihuahua.
Oh, really? She must be tiny.
Super tiny, but full of energy. She thinks she's a big dog.
That's cute. Do you come here often?
Yeah, I live nearby. I like walking here after work. What about you?
I just moved to this neighborhood last month. Still learning my way around.
Welcome. This park is the best place to relax.
Thanks! I work long hours, so it's nice to just sit and breathe sometimes.
Same here. I work at a cafe. Mornings are crazy busy.
Oh, really? Which one?
Starbucks on Main Street. Come by sometime. I'll make you a good latte.
Deal. I'm a coffee addict.
Then we'll get along just fine.
Nice meeting you, Maria.
You too, Jake. See you around the park.